Hello everyone, today I'm telling you how to learn this languages. My name is Angela. I have some books here for the test, for any test, and for these. These are the four languages that we are learning. These are, first one is German, second one is Arabic, third one is German, and fourth one is French. Now let's do it. Keep this quite opera. Now we will put Duolingo the best way. The first I'm giving the practice for you. The practice book now. Yes, this is the practice book I have. Now, how do you say manzana? So, how do you say manzana? Yes, you will say manzanas. Apple. And apple, you will say, what you will say? For apple is manzana, hombre, el hombre. El hombre means the man, the man. Niño. Niño is boy. What is that? Niño. Now this is practice, okay? Write it, practice. Now, do you like practice? Nice. And how do you say manzanas? Apple. Apple, manzanas. Write it 1, 2 times. Manzanas, apple. Manzanas, apple. Manzanas, apple in one line. If you have a book or study. Okay? This is apple. Don't write apple, write only in first line manzanas. Sorry, apple, and write manzanas. Manzanas. Practice practice in French. Okay, practice well. And which is this subject, I will tell you in the last video. Okay, how do you say apple? Apple is apple, you know, it's a fruit. What is this? It's a fruit. What do you write? You write manzanas. Manzanas. Yeah. What do you say? How do you say?
Manzana.
How do you say apple? How do you say manzanas? You want to choose it. One day I will give you the checkpoint test. We will finish the first paragraph. Awesome.
Yo como pan.
Yo como pan. Yo como pan. Yo como. Yes. Speak this sentence. Okay, you want to hear the sound and speak into it. In the checkpoint, you want they will not give this listening. You will speak correctly. Okay?
¿Tú comes pan? ¿Tú comes pan? ¿Tú
Comes.
comes pan?
Tú comes pan. Do you eat bread? This is the question.
Él come manzanas.
Él come manzana. Él come manzana. Oh no.
Tú bebes agua.
Two.
Bebes.
Do you drink? This is writing. Take your book and write. Tu bebes agua. Tu bebes agua. Write in this. I'll write here. You want to write? Do you drink water? Water? Do you drink water? Write the question mark. I can't put because I'm recording in what? Laptop.
Tú comes manzanas.
Tú comes
comes
manzanas. Do you eat apples? You bebo.
Bebo.
You drink agua. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. A minute. Manzana. Wait a minute. Here. Yes. Right here. Write this here. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Now, your bebo. What do you say? Your is there. You want to put you drink you? You drink you? No. Anybody say you drink you? No. You drink apple? No, we will eat apple. You drink apple juice? There's no apple juice here, just only apple. Do you drink water? Yes, I drink water. Look, this is fill in the blank. If you have a Duolingo, look at here. If you can't find, look here.
Bebo.
Okay? First, choose it. Okay? You want to choose it. If you don't understand, please call me. I will give you the phone number. You drink water. If you drink water, you can say anything. Drink water, drink water, drink water. Okay? Bebo. Bebo. In the first beginning learning, I didn't understand what is bebo. Now I understand. Agua. This we called agua. Bebo agua. What's that? Agua.
Yo como manzanas. Yo como manzanas.
Now, tap here. What do you hear? And understand this. Now tap what you hear. Tap what you hear. Okay. Tap it, not tapping. Not writing. Okay. Now right here. What? If you have a book, what?
Yo como manzanas.
Yo como
Como
manzanas.
manzanas.
I eat apples. What's that? I eat apples. Okay. I eat apples. Correct.
Juan come manzanas.
June eats. You right here. Write in English. Wait a minute. Now, right here. Right here. Juan. What you want to write? Juan means
Juan.
who? Call anything. Juan. Sorry. Juan eat. You need apples. Yes, you have a typo. You have a typo, guys. Not for only me. Mucho gusto. Gusto. Okay. Wait a minute. Now, next video,
La mujer bebe agua.
we will learn something new. Okay. Thank you.